Hey guys, today we are going to discuss the database design of PUBG, also known as BGMI, also known as the PUBG New State. It's like a month ago they have published. So what we will try to do is we will try to design the database to understand how they are saving the data of across globe. वो कैसे data save कर रहे हैं. We'll think of a design which is not exact, which would not be the exact design नहीं होगा वो, but it would be somehow similar, so that in the real world if someone asks you to design in an interview, एक सिस्टम डिज़ाइन के इंटरव्यू में, if somebody asks you, you'll be able to answer. आप बता पाओगे कि हाँ इस तरह कुछ डेटा सेव होता होगा. Obviously in system design interview they won't ask you to design a highly scalable database system. They'll just expect कि if you know the schema, अगर आपको schema पता है कि यार स्कीमा मीन्स क्या टेबल्स होंगी, व्हाट आर द टेबल्स एंड इन ईच टेबल व्हाट वुड बी द एट्रीब्यूट्स, क्या प्राइमरी की क्या फॉरेन की एंड ऑल. So that is the only thing that they expect, obviously, because we already have so many systems like cloud and all. So they don't want you to think of like much thing, like they don't want to think don't want you to bother about like how things scale at in an interview. Obviously for the system design interview they might expect, but the major thing is to understand the design. Okay, if you're able to save data correctly, that is more than enough. So let's get started. So the first thing is, let's decide the tables. What could be the tables, or I should say the entities. Tables और entities क्या क्या होंगी इस गेम में. So first it could be the players, obviously players हैं इस गेम में. Then there will be matches. Is match an entity? Okay, let's park it. Map, obviously map we have because we know that there are different type of maps. Wrangle, I'm not sure about the spelling like this or something. Okay, Sandhawk. If you have played, then only you will know. Otherwise, these are the names. Okay, let's remove it. Okay. Then what are the entities? What a player can use? Let's see this. A player can use a weapon, right? A player can use a medication. It should be fifth, right? What else? A player can belong to a region. Do we need a separate every region? Okay, let's park region here. What else we need? Okay, right now I'm talking about the entities, ऐसी चीजें which are like uh, which are independent. I mean they are dependent, obviously player, and there will be a relation between match and player, but these are independent to each other. Obviously, there will be no direct relation between these things. Okay, and how will you decide कि दो टेबल्स के बीच में डायरेक्ट रिलेशन नहीं है, सच दैट इन सच अ वे कि उनके बीच में मैनी टू मैनी रिलेशन होना चाहिए. If there is a relation if there is a many to many relation, that means the both tables would not connect together directly. There will be some entity between them which will be connecting them. Okay, let's identify कि many to many कितने relations हैं यहाँ पे. Obviously 1 and 2. Okay, we have not decided whether 2 is a entity or not. Let's see. A match, if I save a match information, what will I get? I'll be able to list कि कितने matches खेले गए हैं, which player has played this match and all, right? So definitely match will be an entity. We will have a table called match. I am taking, I mean, you can have different name, but I'm taking it as a match because it's a simple term and it is understandable. Especially the people who have played, they know that match is a small term. So match, or you can say it's a game, right? It's a game. Forget about the attributes. Let's see first की relation किस किस में हो सकता है. So 1 और 2 में तो definitely relation है. Because a player can play many matches, a match can be played by many players, right? Many to many हो गया. Then is there a relation between player and map? There is no relation between player and map because a player can play any map, obviously, but through match. He cannot directly play map. He has to play a match that has a map. So there is a relation between 2 and 3. So a match can have many maps? No, a match can have only one map. A single match can have only one match. So that means many to many doesn't happen, right? Now a player can use many weapons, right? And a single weapon can be used by many players, definitely. So 1 and 4 has a relation. Why? Because a weapon can be some AKM or some pistol or something. So same AKM can be used by any player in any game, right? They don't change AKMs, they don't change pistols. They have a simple set. They have a simple set of weapons in their, repository, or the warehouse, and they use the same set of weapons in every game, right? So they don't change their libraries. They can change the occurrence. For example, a match can have 5 AKMs only, or a match can only use pistol, but they can't use like pistol 1, pistol 2, pistol 3, right? There will be pistol always. So a player can use pistol many times, or a pistol can be used by many players. So that's why it is many to many. Same goes with medications also. So the first aid can be used by many players, or a same first aid can be used by many players, or n number of first aid can be used by a player, or many players can use first aid. Something like this. So it's basically count. So player one can use 10 first aids, right? Or one first aid can be a first single first aid can be used by many players. It's not like this. I mean, any player can use any first aid, right? So that's why it is many to many. एक फर्स्ट एड को कितने भी प्लेयर यूज कर सकते हैं. इफ not able to clear you, I'll let me try to use something like this. Like player 1 used first aid, player 2 used first aid again, but they are using it in a match, right? There's no direct relation between player and player 2. I mean, there's no direct relation between player and first aid वो इंडिपेंडेंटली यूज नहीं कर सकता, मैच के थ्रू ही यूज कर पाएंगे, राइट? तो एक मैच में एक प्लेयर कितनी भी फर्स्ट एड यूज कर सकता है, और एक फर्स्ट एड कितने सारे प्लेयर यूज कर सकते हैं. When many players can use a first aid in a match, so that's why it is meant to be. And region, obviously we don't need this, because I think we can simply save it here. Region means that you belong to which region, because this you game it across globe. You can play it across globe. Across globe you can play. So you can belong to Asia region or Europe region. So that's why your region can be saved in your table. क्योंकि रीजन ऑब्वियसली प्लेयर का एक ही होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि वो आज एशिया से खेल रहा है, कल यूरोप से खेलेगा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. और until unless he is a bot or hacker, but for the safe side we'll saving it here, because we are understanding it for a system design interview, not to design a game. So we need to keep the important things. So region we can save here. Now let's think of primary keys. So obviously player ID could be a primary key. ID could be email also. Then player can have a name, something like this. Simply match can have a match ID. Okay, and what a match can have? Match can have a map ID. This play this match has this match is getting played over this match, right? Weapon can have weapon ID or type also. Which type of weapon? It could be a scissor, it could be a knife, it could be a pistol, something like gun and all, grenade and all. Medication, simply something called med ID. Say if this is a medication, of which type of medication. It could be a bandage, could be a complete first aid, could be a what do you call, a painkiller or something, right? So medication भी maybe type हो जाएगा. You can keep other things, but it's up to you. I mean, name is also. We need to create three different tables that we know, but we are trying to figure out कि यार और कौन से attributes हो सकते हैं. So मैच के अंदर और क्या हो सकता है? Should I add players? No, we can't, because we already have a main to many, so हमको अलग बनाना पड़ेगा. So let's keep it aside. Let's design this. So for 1 and 2 player and match, what is the relation? So it's something like match ID obviously and player ID. That means this player has played this match, and what happened in the match. So let's say something called kill count, because he has killed in n peoples, or his rank, something like what is his rank in the match, because out of 100 If 100 people are playing the match, at which point he got died. So it could be like 30, last 13. He's like last 13 or something, or maybe he's like top in the top two. So it could be his rank is one, whether this player has won. So we call it chicken dinner and all. अगर वो जीता है तो we can keep it true or false. It's up to us. Making just keeping it in simple way. So is one could be a thing. Now very important that we missed called team. Obviously you can play either single or either in team, right? So obviously there will be a team ID, some name. But is there a relation between like what could be the relation between team and player? क्या हो सकता है? A team can have many players. A player can play with many teams, right? So it is many to many in a way. If we can see like six, one and six has a many to many relation because एक player multiple teams से खेल सकता है and a team can have many players, right? So do we need to save a team ID here? That's the question. See what happens is in a match if a player has won, if I want to see the stats अगर मुझे ये देखना है कि इस मैच में which team has won, ideally I can use this table. You can use this table because this table will be having the player ID and team ID, right? The 1 and 6 is the table, player and team table, which says that this player belongs to this team. So I have the player ID. My player ID, so I can get the team ID, and from the team ID I can get okay, this is the team name, right? So this match has won by this player, which belongs to this team, right? But the thing is, if I say the team ID here, I am actually reducing the cost of doing an SQL or whatever the database you are doing using, क्योंकि मैं एक कम क्वेरी लगा रहा हूँ, so my system is more optimized, and especially the mobile industry, they believe in optimization. So if I have the team name, I can simply say okay, this player belong to this team. और अगर ये player self खेल रहा है, definitely team ID is none. Don't need to fill it. Don't keep it a mandatory field, right? Mandatory is only these two because obviously a match and a player has a strong relation. You don't need the the basic relation is between these two. So we are keeping it optional. It's not mandatory. Just to save the query cost, we are putting it here, right? Also revives, we can say because revives is nothing but कि यार player कितनी बार revive हुआ इस game में, which is obviously done by their teammates. So if we have it has a team, then only he'll be able to revive, right? Otherwise he won't be able to. Similarly, 1 to 4, if we can say a player has used this weapon, obviously, and a number of times if you can say if you want to save. And same with the medication also, that a player has used this medication, some med id something like this. Okay, the convention you can keep like clear. Okay, I've used something like this, I'll keep it here like this. I use an underscore. Underscore is basically the standard convention between these two, so these spaces are not allowed, it has to be an underscore between them. Okay, team is clear obviously, that player id and team id is clear. Okay, and these two medication and weapons, you can club them ideally. I mean, you can have something like this. So you can have a table called something called assets used, in which you can save like this player id. Player has used assets. Player has used weapons. Player has used weapon and medication in this match. Something like this. I mean, it's up to you. It's just a thing that you can also see. If you want to remove the extra tables and queries, you can use something like this. For the simplicity, I am making these tables so that it is easy to understand. आप समझ पाओगे easily कि यार कैसे हो रहा है. Obviously, optimization can be done. Normalization करके आप you can either divide or denormalize करके you can especially either club also. But the major gist is कि you have to understand कि यार कैसे design हो रहा है ये चीज़. तो अगर अब if I know that a match, if I know that a player is playing a match, okay, so I know that this player has played this match, he has won or not, किस टीम को belong कर रहा था, उसने क्या यूज़ करे हैं weapons and all, obviously there has to be a relation between match. There has to be a match ID also, because obviously this player has used this weapon in this match, not हवा में यूज नहीं कर रहा है वो. There has to be a relation, right? ठीक है, and this player belongs to this team, that is okay. I mean, maybe you can keep match here also, कि वो इस मैच के लिए इस टीम में था, else वो किसी और टीम में को बिलोंग करता है, समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो यू हैव टू आस्क इंटरव्यूअर कि यार वो क्या चाहता है, वो क्या पूछ रहा है आपसे. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क टू द इंटरव्यूअर कि यार while writing the entities ना, you can ask कि what do you expect कि एक प्लेयर किस टीम को बिलोंग कर सकता है, एक मैच में वो टीम बदल सकता है, and all, whether he needs to be in a single team or he can switch teams. Do we need a team concept or not, that also you ask, so that you can save the time as well as you can save your time as well as the interviewer time also. So मैं आपका नाम हो सकता है. So this could be the basic entities you can think of. And if you see, if I show you the actual BGMI design on a in a graphical way, it would something look like this. So I have considered rank also. प्लेयर की रैंक हो सकती है, ऑब्वियसली ओवरऑल ग्लोबली रैंक हो सकती है उसकी, कि यार आज क्या रैंक है उसकी. दिस इज द मैच स्टैट्स आई हैव गिवन, दिस इज द रिचमेंट प्लेयर इन मैच, सेइंग दैट ओके प्लेयर का क्या रिकॉर्ड रहा है, वो आप सेव कर सकते हो. दिस इज द मैच इन विच आई हैव कंसिडर्ड एवरीथिंग, लाइक who is the winner of this match, start time, end time क्या था, team ID and all that I have considered, region. Okay. And yeah, that is what was trying to say कि asset use, you can use this thing कि इस मैच में इस प्लेयर ने क्या वेपन या क्या मेडिकेशन यूज करा, you can decide here. Same with the team. So a match can be player in team. तो टीम का भी एक स्टैट है कि इस टीम ने कितने प्लेयर, कितने खेले मैचेस, और क्या प्लेयर का मैच स्टार्ट क्या है, हर प्लेयर का क्या मैच है स्टार्ट है. So you can something like this. So this is something that you can think of, and I'll give this link to the description, तो आप ये डाउनलोड करके देख सकते हो. You can enhance it also. Obviously there is a scope of enhancing. This is just an overview, so that in system design, if something comes like this, you design a game of a shooter, like first person shooter or third person shooter like PUBG type. So you can have then a basic idea कि okay इस तरह इसको बनाएंगे. So I will give it to you in the description, and we'll come up with more videos in the next session. Till then, like, subscribe, and share. Do share it with your friends who are preparing for systematic interviews, and I'll catch up in the next video. Thanks.